Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to view system notifications from your TikTok inbox. System notifications are important updates, suggestions, and notifications that appear as notifications in your notification bar. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on Inbox to access your TikTok messages. Within the inbox, locate and tap on the System Notifications option. Here you will find a collection of previous suggestions and notifications that appeared as system notifications in your notification bar. By following these simple steps, you can easily view system notifications from your TikTok inbox and stay up to date with important updates and suggestions. We hope this guide has been helpful in learning how to view system notifications from your TikTok inbox. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and stay informed with system notifications in your TikTok inbox